Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on 2018 GMC Terrain with the 2-liter turbo. All you need to do this is this Fram air filter or something similar and a Phillips head screwdriver. So to remove the air filter box at the top of it, take out these 4 screws. And you don't have to unplug the MAF. This cable, there's enough slack that you can take the box top off. Once you have the bolts undone, lift up and move over to expose the old air filter. Here's the old air filter compared to the new one. They both, the new one looks a lot better. The only difference is the Fram has some metal mesh back where the OEM does not. But I don't expect that to cause any problems. And the fleets are honestly tighter on the Fram than they are the OEM. The Fram filter fits perfectly. The only note is that this tab has to be aligned at the top and there's no other tab on it, so it's super easy. I tighten the screws just until they give some resistance at the end and not much past that. And that's all there is to replacing the air filter on a 2018 plus GMC Terrain. Thanks for watching.